Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be discussing about bread. You know, bread is an essential commodity, something that everybody loves. And now that the season is changing, a lot of things are happening to the bread. For example, you buy a bread, keep it for a while. 1 day, 2 days, it turns to something like this. Ew! I know that's what you say. But how do we preserve our bread so that it's not gonna get to this point where we have mold creeping into the bread? Well, this is where Loveday TV brings you the hack. One of the kitchen hacks we're gonna talk about today is how to preserve your bread. Now, if you buy a loaf of bread, before you leave the supermarket, please head to the aisle and buy celery. Take one stalk from that and cut it into two. Open the bread that you bought and put it inside. If you put that bread inside the celery, it's not going to turn into this moldy nonsense. All right, guys. So this is not only for bread, also for pita bread. Just open it up, put it inside. It keeps it fresh. It keeps it very, very free from mold. Also, your bagels. Everybody loves most people love bagel. I love bagel. But to help you preserve your bagel, please take from the stalk of the celery, cut it into stripes, maybe cut a little bit of it, put it inside and cover it. Put it inside the pita bread and cover it. Then just tie it down and your bread will be very, very soft, no mold, and the time will be extended kind of. So please don't let your bread. This morning I just brought out this thinking I was gonna make some, rolls, and oh my god, I got this disgusting mold. Don't let disgusting mold come near your bread. Use the Loveday TV system to preserve your bread. Buy your bread, buy celery, and put inside, and you will be glad you did. Thank you for watching once again, and goodbye. Before I go, be nice to your neighbors at this particular period of the time. Be safe. Stay in your houses. If you're watching this after the coronavirus pandemic, please know that we all fought hard to make sure that coronavirus doesn't kill us. We survived. You can survive. Use the things you've learned from the coronavirus pandemic and build yourself. There's unity when all of us come together to do things. Thank you for watching once again, and goodbye. Have a lovely day and be coronavirus free. Goodbye.